Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the substrate and reaction type. Resorcinol is 1,3-dihydroxybenzene. Treatment with I2NOH is the iodoform reaction, which cleaves methyl ketone or equivalent CH3CO groups, but here it is applied to an aromatic ring system bearing two hydroxyl groups in the meta-arrangement. Step 2. Understand how resorcinol reacts with I2NOH. Resorcinol, like other phenols activated toward electrophilic substitution, undergoes extensive iodination at the ring. Under alkaline conditions, NOH, the ring is cleaved oxidatively. Resorcinol, 1,3-diol on benzene, reacts with I2NOH to give iodoform, G3, plus the sodium salt of a carboxylate fragment. The ring opening of the aromatic system under these conditions yields a small molecule carboxylate salt as the coproduct. Step 3. Determine the carbon skeleton of compound A. The 6-carbon benzene ring, after losing the G3 unit, 1 carbon, leaves a 5-carbon fragment. However, the specific oxidative cleavage of resorcinol with alkaline hypodite, now I, formed from I2 plus NOH, is known to produce iodoform and the disodium salt of an organic diacid or a sodium salt fragment. The product depicted in option A shows a sodium enedioate unsaturated dicarboxylate sodium salt structure consistent with incomplete oxidation of the ring and retention of the conjugated carbon skeleton from resorcinol after G3 loss. Step 4. Match with option A. Option A depicts the sodium salt of an alpha, beta-unsaturated carboxylate with an additional CH2CO2 group. This is consistent with the known cleavage product retaining the C5 framework as a sodium carboxylate enedioate after 1 carbon is removed as G3 from the resorcinol ring system under iodoform conditions. Step 5. Eliminate other options. Option B. Succinic acid is a free diacid, not a sodium salt, and does not match the expected product under NOH conditions. Option C. Pentanoic acid is a free acid, inconsistent with basic conditions and the carbon framework. Option D. Sodium pentanoate is a saturated salt and does not arise from aromatic ring opening of resorcinol. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.